Hi, I'm Don from Don Does Stuff, and today we're going to check out this aquatic weed rake. It's about 40 odd centimeters long, and the tines on it are roughly 10 centimeters. Comes with the rake itself, a support structure that screws onto there. They provide all the bolts and 2 wrenches, so it's easy to put together. And there's a rope. The idea is that you throw this thing out, pull it in, and you get your weeds or whatever else is in there. And they provide a little net bag to help with collecting of stuff, and any water can drain out of it. So let's put it together. Okay, so to assemble this, there's 4 nuts and bolts and 2 wrenches. One's a 10 millimeter, one's a 12. Not sure why they picked those, but anyway, the bolt part is 10. And so you start from the bottom, put it through, and put the nut on. So once you have the 4 bolts in there and nicely tightened up with the 2 wrenches, then put the rope through. So the problem with this rope, I mean, it seems sturdy enough, but it's polypropylene rope and it's really hard to tie. So I would recommend what's called a farmer's knot. So what you do is you actually, so you get about a foot of rope through there, and then you untwist that, poke the rope through, like that, tighten it back up, go about 2 or 3 loops along, come back through, like that, repeat that a few times. Because any standard rope, like a bow line and anything like that, is just going to come loose on this thing. There you go. Simple. I did 4 loops and it's all ready to go. I would also recommend doing a loop on the other end, if I can find the other end, so that you've got something to hold on to. So very easy to use. Hold on to the handle with one hand. Put the loop that you put on the other side end of the rope on your other wrist, just so that if you lose it, you haven't completely lost it. Make sure your rope is untangled and not around your ankles, and toss it in. I'm just doing a little section here just to demonstrate. You just pull it along like this. Don't go too fast, you might miss stuff. Very easy to pull. And then pull her out. Got the water out. So it definitely works. The rake rips up the leaves and weeds and sticks and stuff really, really well, and way better than just a regular garden rake. And then you can just dump them in. You'll notice that this handle thing fills up with water, so you want to make sure you're out of the way when you do that. Otherwise it's all good. And incidentally, the net, that's for storing the rake and the rope and stuff. Don't get that involved in your weed process. Just dump it into a bucket like this. Oh, one last tip. Don't wear a white shirt.